Port City Sound and Security. It's a full-service turnkey solution. We're actually the only fully licensed, industry-certified provider here in the area. Low voltage license, burglar alarm license, CDIA certification on all the employees. We work with the new builder and with the new homeowner from the design process all the way through the rough-in, trim-out, installation, and user training. And then we provide service after the fact also. The problem we had was the inability to transmit 1080p to a display from a Blu-ray player. And what we found was actually no video coming up, and we thought there was faulty equipment. So we checked the equipment, we checked the projector, we called the manufacturer, and they said, well, yes, it was a known issue with that model. So we decided to pull it down and get a replacement and get it fixed. Even with the replacement projector, and it still didn't work, and that's where we realized that it probably was not a projector issue. And in the meantime, we also decided to do some additional testing with different length cables. We went out and we purchased HDMI amplifiers, restorers, and none of them worked. We thought for sure if it was a cable issue, that would have fixed it. That's why we assumed it was equipment.
Brad came to me at a local distributor event and describing some of the problems that he had with his HDMI supplier and cable. Well, Brad had been struggling with this particular problem for a period of 1 month. He had reached a dead end where it was causing him to lose money and also question his current HDMI supplier. A lot of times the capacitance that you might experience at the head end at the install might not show themselves right when they're installing the product. A lot of times it might be months before they experience the artifacts or the capacitance. The Cure Light cable has a restorer and a line driver at the head end of the cable. So what it does is it sees and fixes problems before the signal is delivered. So there are also LEDs that are also installed on it, which tells the installer that you have proper communication happening at that time of install.
But we went ahead and ordered the product, it came in, we hooked it up, and instantly we had 1080p to the projector. Subsequently, we have done a lot of additional testing with HDMI 1080p distribution over longer lengths using balance in Cat5. And we tested multiple brands, and we found out again that the Honeywell HDMI balance would give us the longest length of transmission of a 1080p signal over a non-shielded Category 5 cable.
By offering a wide variety of lengths, the same as any HDMI cable, they're able to use this as a standard.
Now, we make a lot of our own custom cables for the other interconnects, the audio-video interconnections we custom make here on the site as we're racking the equipment. But obviously with HDMI, it's not user-friendly to be able to terminate in the field. So we needed to have a good solution, an OEM solution that we could count on. And we think we found it.
Whether it be a 15-meter cable or a half-meter cable, the Cure Light technology fixes the problem solved.